Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, bashiril munafiqeen bi anna lahum azaban alima. Translation: Announce the news to warn the hypocrites that for them there is a painful punishment. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, الذين يتخذون الكافرين أولياء من دون المؤمنين أيبتغون عندهم العزة فإن العزة لله جميعا. Translation: Those who choose disbelievers as guide or allies instead of believers, do they seek the honor or power through them? Indeed, all the honor and power is with Allah. This ayah is about munafiqeen as well, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, give the glad tidings of painful punishment to the hypocrites. Now, glad tidings is for any good news, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving this news of painful punishment as a glad tidings. Why? Because the hypocrite used to think that they are doing very well by deceiving the kuffar and deceiving the Muslims, so they will get good news, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling that their good news will be the painful punishment. The hypocrites were two-faced. They used to say that they are with Muslims and they would say the kalama, but in front of the disbelievers, non-believers, they would say that they are with them, and the reason of that is that they were not sure about the future of Islam. They used to think that if Muslims are defeated, they should have a back door to go back to the disbelievers, and that is the reason they never accepted the Islam 100% with the sincerity of their heart, and they never got with Muslims 100% on their side. On the other hand, they were telling the disbelievers that they are with them, and they were not with them 100%, and that is the reason that both the groups kind of disowned them, and they knew that they are not with them. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that by doing that, do they seek the honor or power through the disbelievers? Indeed, all the power and all the honor is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Al-Aziz. He is the one who gives the honor to whoever He wills and who takes away the honor from whoever He wills. And these disbelievers did have some wealth and some position, but that was not the real honor. The real honor is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that was proven in the near future at that time that the Muslims conquered so many countries and so many lands, and they had so much honor and so much power given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the hypocrites and also the disbelievers were humiliated and defeated, and they did not have honor and they did not have the power. And this result here in this world and the results in the hereafter are even much more worse, that they will get the painful punishment, which is much more than the humiliation of this world. Today's Muslims have left the true Islam, and that is the reason that they are humiliated and they do not have any honor or power. If they come back to the Islam and they follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they will have the true honor and true power once again. They try to make friends with the non-believer thinking that they will get the honor, but again, the real honor is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the real honor for Muslims is to go back and connect with the Quran and with Islam and follow the commandments of Islam, and it will give them everlasting honor here in this world and in the hereafter. In Surah Munafiqun, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that the honor is for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Messenger and for the believers, but these hypocrites don't know. Oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, keep us away from any hint of hypocrisy. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.